Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Easy Tips for Learners. Today, let us learn about how prepositions are used with adjectives and participles. Usually, there are some particular adjectives and participles that require particular prepositions. Some of these are listed here. That is the combination of prepositions with adjectives and participles. Can we learn a few of them? Okay. Absorbed in. It's a combination of participle plus preposition. Involved in. According to. Keen on. Accustomed to. Liable for or to. Afraid of. Nervous of. Anxious for or anxious about. Owing to. Ashamed of. Pleased with. Aware of. Prepared for. Bad at. Proud of. Capable of. Ready for. Confident of. Responsible for or responsible to. Due to or due for. Scared of. Exposed to. Sorry for or sorry about. Fit for. Successful in. Fond of. Suspicious of. Frightened of or frightened at. Terrified of or terrified at. Good at or good for. Tired of or tired at. Interested in. Used to. So you just listen to the list of prepositions with adjectives and participles. Can we use them in sentences? Okay. He was absorbed in his work. Absorbed in is the participle plus preposition. She is afraid of the dark. So here we have afraid of. Participle plus preposition. According to Tom, it is 2:30 p.m. So here it is according to. So here we have participle as a gerund plus preposition. He is bad or good at chess. So here it is bad or good plus at is the adjective plus preposition. Running is good or bad for you. So here also we have the combination of adjective plus preposition. They are very keen on it. So keen on, participle plus preposition. I'm sorry about your tickets. So sorry plus about, that is participle plus preposition. So these are the kind of prepositions used with adjectives and participles. Stay tuned for some more. Thank you.